Welcome to codesundar.com. In this video, we are going to create our first Flutter project. So before starting the project, I'm creating a dummy folder on the desktop. And I'm going to create a Flutter project inside the folder. I'm just opening my terminal and changing the directory. And for creating a project, so I need to execute a command called flutter create, and I used to put my name, that is your project name. So I'm going to use it a first project. So it might take some time to create, so we can wait it. Okay, so my project has been created. I'm just changing my directory and I'm going to open it on the editor. So I use the VS Code. You can use the VS Code, or even you can use the Android Studio. So this main.dot file, it's going to be your file for running it on the device. So I'm just deleting the entire code. So we are going to create a simple hello world. So first I need to import material. So here I need to create my first function, or you can call it as a method, like a C program. So dot, it has a main as a function. So void main. So it should return some widget. So we are going to create a simple widget called text. Okay. So here I'm going to return a text widget. So a text widget, it contains the string that is hello world. Okay, a Flutter, it has a default function called run app. That's it. So this is our first project. I'm just saving the file to run the project on my device. So first I need to connect my device, and I will run a adb devices command. So here you can see this is my connected device. So I'm just running it on my device. Flutter run. So here is my device. So it's showing some error. So we can see what is that error means. So it has some error called directionality, because a text widget, it needs a direction to display. So I'm just adding the direction to the left to right. So I'm just saving this and I'm going to refresh. I'm going to do the hard refresh. So for that I need to use a capital R, Shift R. So now you can see a hello world text on top. So here you can see. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are facing any issue, feel free to comment below. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you want more topics, so you can suggest a topic just by commenting below. See you on next video. Bye.